Beep boop, beep boop.
San Francisco loves spooky season, and so do we. We've been prepping and celebrating all month long. The weather, perfect. The pumpkin patches, next level. And the events, endless. This year, we're going with robot costumes because my son is obsessed with beep boops. My husband is on jetpack duty, and I'm making our costumes. We're talking cardboard, felt, fans, lights, the works. We're nerding out, and it's so cool to have our kid tinkering with us. Next up, Pastorinos Pumpkin Patch, where we go full on autumn. There's a mini train that takes you around the farm, tractors, bounce houses, and even a haunted house. The petting zoo? Definitely a hit with the littles. This place is our yearly tradition with our friends. It's a whole morning of fall vibes, pumpkin pie, and family photos. Because one pumpkin patch is never enough, we hit up Clancy's, which has an amazing selection of colorful, funky, bumpy pumpkins. And then we also visited the Great Pumpkin Patch as well. This is our first year at Scaregrove, which is a carnival held at Grove. Costumes, games, rides, food trucks, and spooky vibes. It's a Halloween overload in the best way possible. Get there early though to avoid the massive crowds. And then it's off to Noe Valley for a Halloween stroll. The kids go full speed collecting candy like it's an Olympic event, while the grown-ups take in all the creative costumes and sip wine from our coffee mugs. We end with a classic, our jack-o'-lantern. It's my kiddos first. And when the candle flickers inside, it feels like Halloween in here. Hope you had a great spooky season as well. Okay, love you, bye!